Did you know that sometimes God makes us quiet so we can truly hear Him? Let me tell you about Zechariah, an old priest who learned this lesson the hard way. Zechariah was chosen for the greatest honor in the temple, burning incense while thousands prayed outside. Suddenly, the angel Gabriel appeared and said his wife Elizabeth would have a baby who would prepare the way for the Messiah. But instead of believing, Zechariah doubted. He said, "How can this be? We're too old." Gabriel wasn't happy. He made Zechariah unable to speak for 9 whole months. Can you imagine? A priest whose job was speaking God's words couldn't say anything at all. When the baby was born, everyone expected him to be named Zechariah Jr. But the old priest wrote on a tablet, "His name is John." The moment he wrote those words, his voice came back and he praised God with beautiful prophecies about his son's future. God's promises don't depend on how impossible things look. When we doubt Him, we only delay experiencing His goodness. Please subscribe for more.